So, hi, dear Pisces, a very, very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also, and this is a reading from today till the 1st of September for those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me that I'm doing it from a very, very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Pisces, the person that you're in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the King of Cups, the Nine of Wands, the Eight of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Two of Wands. This person is feeling blocked in the situation, heavily blocked, heavy blockage in the emotions, heavy blockage in the communication. So this person definitely feels like communicating with you regarding the blockages that they're feeling in the situation. So they're feeling like your guards are completely up. You are not even giving them the chance to open up. You are not even opening up to them to make them explain certain things to you. It's like they're feeling heavy blockage from your side, that you're not ready to communicate, or you don't want to communicate, or you don't have any intention to connect with them or communicate with them or open up with them in any way, shape or form. It's like this person is feeling like even though there's love in the situation, they still have hope that yes, there's love from both the sides, but they're feeling like there's a heavy blockage in the communication, or there's some kind of misunderstanding or miscommunication going on. And even if they're trying their best to let go of that blockage or resolve that blockage between you guys, they're not able to do it. They're feeling heavily blocked in the situation energetically from your side as well. Otherwise as well, there's something that they're not able to overcome. Yeah, so they're in this energy of let's wait and watch, let's wait for the time and when we will be able to resolve it or let go of the blockage that we guys are feeling in the situation. It's an energetic block for most of you. It's an energetic block. There's something that's stopping this person from coming towards you. Now it could be like this person is dealing with some other people as well, might be not romantically, but some other things are going on in their life that's quite important to resolve. Or it could be like they are right now in this energy of you are not ready or prepared to connect or reconnect or something like that. Yeah, let's see what this person wants from you. What are the intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Ten of Cups, the Lovers, and the Eight of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Pentacles. By all means, Pisces, this person wants to make this work out between you and them. They want to make a decision, they want to make a choice, and they want to stick to that choice, to stick to that decision and put in the effort and energy in that direction. Now, the choice is, if Pisces is ready to put in the effort and energy with me in this connection, I am ready to put in the effort and energy in this connection and make this work out. If Pisces is not ready, or if Pisces is not willing to open up to me or reconnect with me, so I think I should go ahead and explore other options and connect with other people. But I want something or someone in my life that is going to give me the long-term stability, happiness and security and safety. Okay, so they are ready to put in the effort and energy with you if you are willing to do that. This is their intention. If not, they are ready to put themselves out and connect with other energies who can give them the kind of energy or connection or the stability that they're looking forward to have in their life, the long-term kind of deal. So pretty clear in their intentions, right? Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the what we have 1st of September. Pisces, let's see. We have the Three of Swords, the Ten of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune in reverse, the Page of Cups, bottom of the deck. It's like they're too heartbroken. They're in this energy of, even if I'm going to connect with Pisces, what's the use of doing that, because there's no future of this connection. According to them, there's no future. See, totally different feelings, totally different intentions, and action says they think that there's no future of this connection whatsoever. So what is the use of even waiting for Pisces? I should move on. So Pisces, this person is trying their best to move on from the situation instead of working on the situation, or instead of trying to force the situation to work out or something like that. Although their intentions are of putting in the effort and energy, if you are willing to do that, if it is equal give and take of energy from both the sides. But in their actions, they're not taking any kind of action because they think it's never going to work out between me and Pisces. Even if we are going to try and try and try, it's not meant to be. Okay, so according to them, they got enough signals from the universe, enough messages from the universe, enough lessons from the universe that this is not going to work out between you and them. So it's better to let it go as of now. Yeah, so they are in this energy of having love for the situation, a lot of care for the situation, but somewhere deep down they have this energy that it's never going to work out, and they're quite sad about it, depressed about it. That is why this person is not taking any kind of action as of now. This is their, and these are their energies. So we are just doing it for a very short span of time, so it's not permanent, obviously. So yeah, let's see the guidance for you guys, Pisces, for the situation. It's already Thursday, and I'm shocked. I'm shocked. I don't know where my Tuesday, Wednesday was gone. Like, I don't know. I was sleeping the whole 2 days or what. I don't know. I was in trance or what. Yeah, accept the situation for what it is, Pisces. This is a rebirth. This is a total transformation. This situation ended, and this is like making you learn something very, very important. So learn the lesson, take the lesson out of the situation, and see this for what it is, accept this for what it is, instead of making something else out of it, and stop hurting yourself and start going in the different direction. Yeah, whatever universe is kind of guiding you to go ahead with. So this is what I have for you. Hope this helps. So thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.